What's up, guys? Right now I'm about to show you guys my LA apartment tour. This has been really requested for you guys, and I'm actually moving out of here tomorrow, so I figured that this is the perfect time to do this apartment tour, and I'm moving into another room here in LA. But I really wanted to show you guys, and now I can finally tell you where I live because I didn't want to tell you guys before. So this is in the West Hollywood area of California. It's just like a block away from Melrose, and it's actually an extended Airbnb. So if you guys want to rent this place out, you totally can if you guys like it. It was a really great place for me for this like month and a half that I was here, but I'm excited to like be moving. Let me just show you guys. So you first walk in and you basically step into the kitchen area, which this kitchen is actually really cute. It's one of the reasons why I really like the place because it's so vibrant in the kitchen, except this was just like never used. Like I never used this kitchen. I think I cooked like 3 times total, so it was nice but not practical for me, I guess. So it's really tiny. It has a nice stove though and an oven, which is good because I am always making, like the one thing I did cook here was eggs for breakfast, so that was nice. And it came with like all of these seasonings, and it came with the toaster and the like kitchen utensils and everything like that, so that was really nice about it. And then the breakfast area, as I call it, so this is really cute. It's just bright orange, and I think it gives it such like a nice pop of color. So yeah, this is like a little tiny kitchen, and it came with everything in here that you see, which was awesome. This is the bedroom. So this is a studio apartment because I don't really have like a separated off room. It's just like you walk into it. So it's really cute. I love how bright and white it is. So you walk in, and right here there's a giant TV, which again I didn't use. I just like always watch Netflix on my laptop, so this TV did not come in use, but it is nice. And right here I just keep like all of my Polaroid pictures that I take. I really wanted to document this summer a little bit more like with Polaroids just to keep for the memories. So I kept Polaroids here, sunglasses, perfume, all that stuff, and these decorations actually came with the Airbnb, so I thought that was really nice and gave it like nice decor. And then over here I just kept some of my really cute shoes, kind of like as art pieces, I guess. I wanted to keep like the cooler ones out for everyone to see. So yeah, this was just my shoe collection, some of them. And then this is kind of a fake fireplace. I think it used to be real when this building was built, because this building was built in 1924, so it's a very old building. It's almost 100 years old, so I definitely think this used to be real. And yeah, keep some more shoes down there because they don't fit in my closet. And then over here is just the desk area, so I just edited videos here a lot and ate a bunch of my Postmates because that's all I did while I was here is order Postmates. And I just keep a bunch of my vitamins right here, and then some gum, and I have red Solo cups here just, you know, for drinking purposes.
I keep wanting to laugh, but I'm like, I don't want to be like laughing in the background. So I'm just like,
yeah, it's a really cute desk that's built into the wall. And then I like this because like the decor was already here, like I've been saying, and I just hung up my little VidCon invited guest thing right here just to keep for the memories, because yeah, it was my first VidCon. It was really fun. Here is my bed. This mattress, you guys, is so comfortable. It was like a Tempur-Pedic mattress. I don't even know. It was so nice. And the pillows came with it, and I thought it was so cute. And like the orange mirrors came with it, and just like the bedside table I thought was really cute. Over here, this is kind of like my bag collection. So I have my camera bag underneath this chair, and then I have these 3 purses that I brought to LA with me, and I just have them sitting here because I don't have that much storage in this apartment, so I just designated this as like the bag chair. And we also have like a nice marble bedside table, or like coffee table, I guess, because it's not on the bedside. So a nice coffee table right here, and it's really cute. And here is my mirror that I take like all my outfit selfies in. It's literally like the perfect mirror selfie, and like the lighting is so good. So yeah, I'm definitely going to miss this mirror. Alright, and now here is my closet and bathroom. So right here I just have a bunch of random stuff, honestly. This is like a bunch of hair products that I've been sent, some lotion, some disinfectant wipes, my curling iron, just like random stuff I throw here. And then in these storage compartments, which actually came with the apartment again, I have like my workout clothes, my socks and underwear, and my bras. And then here I just have some like cleaning supplies and like toilet paper and stuff like that. And then here is my closet, which is honestly like such a good size. So it's pretty big and it came with everything I need, and this is my dirty clothes because I didn't bring a dirty clothes bin, so. And it even had hooks to like hang your jewelry, which I thought was brilliant and great that I didn't have to bring any jewelry holders. I was very concerned about that. And then here's my tiny little bathroom. So it's all white. This mirror, as you can see, is like so old, you guys. This definitely was here in like 1924. There's Tasha.
Yeah, you see my like scary hat.
And it opens up, and here's just where I keep like my face wash, hair oils, anything like that. And so it's really great for storage. That's basically it of my apartment. It's like a really, really cute studio. I have definitely loved it living here, but I'm happy to be moving to a newer place because I'm gonna have roommates, and I asked you guys to guess where I was moving or like which YouTubers I was living with, and literally every single one of you that guessed got it right. So I am subleasing from Monica Church, and I'm going to be roommates with Shelby, so excited for that, you guys. And yeah, it just like worked out perfectly. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this like little LA studio tour and that you guys liked it. And be sure to subscribe if you guys are new here for any other like LA videos, college videos, lifestyle videos, anything like that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!